Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to merge contacts in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this option and how does it work? So first of all, we need to open our phone book. Then we need to navigate to contacts, and here we have a few of our contacts visible. So where to look for a merge option? We have three-dot menu right here. When we tap it once, we have Manage Contacts options. When we open it, the top option is Merge Contacts. And now, if we have duplicate contacts, we will have our merge option right here. So you can find it there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.